I will continue showcasing new features of TeslaCloud 2 version 56. Also, in the new version we added possibilities supporting HTTP protocols post and gets by TeslaCloud. You can create HTTP client in your teslascada ID, but it's better and faster to use our feature in project properties and cloud tabs for creating HTTP client. You can do it by clicking this button and saving new project. We want to use convertible objects because we want to use trend and even stable. So that's it, and you can open client in your ID. You can see HTTP server and use URL of our cloud and this port. Also, it's use your credentials for cloud. Tags is bound to name of the tags that you use in project. So let's open this project in TeslaCloud runtime and start it. Okay, data is uploaded from TeslaCloud, but it's updated not too fast because we use 10 seconds poll interval, and it couldn't be faster because we restricted this value to not overload our cloud. You can see it works. Let's open trends, and it's uploaded trend values, but it's not recommended to have so many trends on the one screen because it can have problems. We can have problems with this, but in our case it works. We can update temperature interval by using. Even table doesn't work because we don't have TeslaCloud runtime is run, and data from the cloud events are not uploaded. This is discussed in previous video. And here it works. It's possible to use TeslaCloud runtime on your devices, desktop and mobile with HTTP client. But it's not recommended. It's because for Android and the desktop versions you can create cloud client. It works faster, and don't have restrictions for like HTTP client. But because we don't have cloud client for iOS version, you can use HTTP client for your iOS device. So you can import for iOS your project and upload it on your iOS device. Start TeslaCloud runtime on your iOS device and load. Moment. Yes, it's uploaded. You can see our project is uploaded, so you can now start it. And you can see that is uploaded from our TeslaCloud. And let's click trends value uploaded not all. Let's change date. And you can see it's uploaded. So it works on iPhone device. HTTP client use post request. You can find descriptions of this request in our user manual. Open our site and click user manual and choose TeslaCloud. You can find user manual and description how to work with TeslaCloud here, but we are interested in information about our post API. So you can find API. You can find all information about request used by HTTP client here. But for third-party applications, it's not very useful to use this API. It's better to use get API. For example, we use FTTP and use create applet. When you with Google Assistant, when you use OK Google activate sound phrase, activated webhook that use our address for get APIs. It's here, and you can find description here. Token you can find on cloud, but you have to enter it like moderator. So you can find it here in the user menu button, and you can use our token and use tag name buzzer. Tag name you can find here. In our case, it's in ESP. So name here. And let's test it. I'm open Google Assistant. OK Google, activate sound. And you can see it's activated. So you can hear buzzer is on. We open and it's turned off. Also, it's possible to, let's not forget, we use write value API. So we can use update, token, tag name, and value in our webhook. Update token, but you can also read value, and request will be getted in this format and get values. In this case, you can get request in this format. That's it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in our forum by using comments below this window or by using email.